Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by creating a project and importing your files. That gets you working immediately. Once you select source and target languages, add your translation memory and term base so suggestions appear. Make sure file types and segmentation rules match the file format. This saves time. Enable auto-suggest and basic QA checks now, because while you'll edit segments later, early configuration prevents cascading errors. Save the project and open the editor to start translating right away. No extra waiting. You work through segments in the editor, accepting TM matches or editing them when needed. This preserves consistency. Once done with a segment, press Confirm to lock it and update statistics. Use machine translation as a draft, then refine with your term base. This speeds throughput without sacrificing quality. Apply tags precisely to keep formatting intact, and use concordance or search to resolve ambiguous terms. Remember to save frequently. Trados syncs TM entries as you confirm segments. You finish by running the QA check and addressing warnings. Focus on tags, numbers, punctuation, and terminology first. Once resolved, generate the deliverable by exporting target files or creating bilingual packages for review. Make sure to update and confirm your TM so future projects benefit. If something goes wrong, rerun QA and use the editor's translation results and concordance to find root causes. Also verify the original file type settings and segmentation, because most export problems.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.